Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 12. It is from section 1.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to simplify the given expression, so we will need to use order of operations. We have the quantity 4 plus 5 squared divided by 3. Okay, so we need to simplify what's in the parentheses first. And 4 plus 5 is 9. We need to square that and then divide by 3. 9 squared is 81. Then we divide by 3. And 81 divided by 3 is 27. And that is our final answer. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.